What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights in the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. We may be seeing the last pullback of shibAinu that is going to take place, y'all. Not financial advice. You got to remember, do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. But I'm very, very excited about the opportunity Shiba is giving us with this discount and as well as our future. So take a look at this. shibAinu 4.5 billion SHIB to be burned. Will the price hit 404? So let's take a look at this article. Shout out to Watcher Guru. So according to shibAinu, SHIB team member Lucy, the project will undertake a significant burn soon. Lucy took to X and shared with the community that the team has collected 40 ETH worth around 158,000 to purchase tokens for the upcoming burn. So 158,000 would get around 4.5 billion tokens burned. So actually he's reporting on something that took place already. We did see that burn take place. It was supposed to be 40 ETH, but the team, did us a favor and doubled it up. We got over 80 ETH, I believe 90 ETH burned with shibAinu. So that is a nice start. I know some people aren't unhappy about that. They're saying, that doesn't even put a dent in it. But listen, y'all. Right now, at the moment, these are the biggest burns we got taking place. So are we going to complain about the burns that we do have taking place, or, are we going to figure out a better way to do it? So we got to, if you got a better way, like I keep saying on the channel, let me know and I will share it with the community. I'll share it with the team and we could, work towards getting more shibAinu burn. Also, y'all, I got my guide about to drop. My technical analysis guide, basically giving you an understanding of, well, it's not a full technical analysis guide. What it is more of a, let's say it's teaching you chart patterns and things of that sort. So that way you can basically understand what to do, how to move in the markets. Also, what certain chart patterns mean, what to do when you see these chart patterns. And right now, for a limited time only, I'm giving it away to my crypto community. Those that rock with me, you got to hit me ASAP. It's called Mastering Chart Patterns. So email me at StockGoatClass@gmail.com. Again, StockGoatClass to get my guide for free. It is about to be released. Should we do the first 50 people? The first 50 people to email me to get my guide will go on my list to get it for free once it drops. Now, this probably will fill up very, very quickly. So as soon as you hear this, you need to email me, stockgoatclass@gmail.com, and let me know you want the Mastering Chart Patterns guide for free. And I got you. The first 50 people only. If you message me after that, it will be, either a pre-order or a fee once it drops. So shout out to y'all. I'm giving it to the first 50 people absolutely free. So SHIB's burn rate is currently down by 67.4%, so a decent amount, and burning 48 million tokens in the last 24 hours. Will SHIB's price hit that 4 level after burning it? So we seen the tokens burned, and it did not take us to that level. Yes, it did get us some bullishness. We seen SHIB pop up to around the 3,500 points per coin level, but then it started to slowly trade off again. You got to remember, there's a lot of people that are holding on right now that as soon as they get close to breaking even or, getting a small amount of gains, they're going to end up selling. Especially those people who bought at those higher levels. They're just happy to get from underwater. So we got to, accept that there is some selling pressure waiting for us as we continue this journey. But as more and more people, what y'all got to understand, when they sell their positions, they don't have more to sell unless they go buy some more back. So that's the good thing about getting people out, before we really go crazy, because later it forces them to have to buy back at higher levels. So moreover, although SHIB has seen burn rate spikes after rallies, the asset has seldom seen a price spike after a burn rate surge. However, the SHIB team is working on a new burn mechanism rumored to burn trillions of tokens yearly. However, the team has not disclosed the launch date of the new burn mechanism. If the project can drastically reduce its supply, there is a chance that we will see a rise in prices. One of the biggest catalysts for shibAinu's epic 2021 rally was Vitalik's massive 2021 burn. Vitalik received half of shibAinu's supply upon the project's launch. However, the ETH co-founder decided to burn 90% of the tokens he received, significantly reducing SHIB's supply. So this is something that will, potentially happen more and more in the future as we get more projects burning on or building on shibArmy, in turn burning more shibAinu. So we're right now in that adoption phase. We're building, the team and the developers on shibArmy are building out the highways and the railroads. I'm telling y'all right now, it doesn't seem like much, But if shibArmy becomes the powerhouse or the hub that it can be, and we attract a lot of different developers in the crypto space and a lot of communities, we can start to see this amount of burn increase, y'all. Stay tuned for that. So I know we want to see these burns taking place right now, but what y'all got to understand is the shibAinu team does not own the supply. So they don't just have a magical amount that they can say, you know what, we're just going to burn 50 trillion coins, this month. They don't have that ability. So right now we got the overall crypto market cap sitting at $2.58 trillion, pulling back slightly at 1.65% in the red. Fear and greed index still at an 89 right now, meaning still in extreme greed, meaning that people could still likely start to sell and take profits. But I think with us being so close to the halving that, a majority of smart money wants to, still be in right now. Bitcoin 68,000, Ethereum at 3,839, BNB at 514, Solana at 139, XRP 60 cents, Cardano 70 cents, Doge at 16 cents. Then we got shibAinu at 10th place by market cap with a total of 403166, down 8.17% on the day. So it is picking up a little bit. We've seen it down around 10% earlier. Still up 40% in the last week, y'all. Take advantage of those discounts, especially if you're going to be somebody who's looking at this later on saying, man, I wish I would have bought more sheep. So that's all we got, man. Let's take a look at the ecosystem while we here. Bad idea AI, down 12% right now. Buying opportunity. Not financial advice, but these are buying opportunities. Bone, down 8%. Not financial advice, but a buying opportunity. Leash, down to 662. All the way down to 662 when we just seen leash go from 401 to 1,300. So it's essentially 50% off from what we just seen take place. When shibAinu really starts to move, the rest of the ecosystem starts to move as well. So all we got for this video. If you're interested in getting any of my courses, email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. I got my day trading course, options trading course, teaching you how to trade in the stock market. Also, it teaches you how to day trade with other assets as well. And then we got my technical analysis course, teaching you how to understand the information that the chart tells us, teaching you candlesticks, teaching you chart patterns. Don't forget, I got my Mastering Chart Patterns guide dropping very, very soon. If you want to be one of the first 50 people to get it for free, email me at StockGoatClass. Remember, you have to email me at StockGoatClass to get the Mastering Chart Patterns guide for free before it goes on sale. Now, for the courses, you email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Last but not least, we got my Crypto 101 course, teaching you a well-rounded understanding of crypto investing, as well as getting you off the centralized side of things. So that way you can come on to the DeFi side and protect your assets. That's all we got for this video. Follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.